Welcome to another edition of Home Buying Tips. Today's topic, what is USDA or what is a rural housing home loan? USDA stands for the United States Department of Agriculture, and USDA rural housing home loans are actually guaranteed by USDA. So you won't have private mortgage insurance. You'll have a similar insurance to pay, but these loans are actually insured by the United States Department of Agriculture. And they're 100% financing, so no down payment is required. Rural housing home loans are restricted to primary residence only. You cannot use this product for investment properties or multi-unit properties. Contrary to what many believe, this program is not restricted to first-time home buyers. The only loan program option is a 30-year fixed loan, so they're very safe. And one other restriction is you cannot own other properties if you are purchasing a home with USDA. USDA again offers no down payment, 100% financing. One of the few programs that offer this feature. There is a USDA funding fee which can change from time to time, and this is financed on top of your mortgage program. So your home loan will often be actually higher than your purchase price because of the funding fee being financed into the mortgage. There's also an annual mortgage insurance fee that you pay through your monthly home payment, similar to PMI. And USDA does require that the home buyer, homeowner, make a full PITI payment, principal, interest, taxes, and insurances with escrows. You cannot manage the taxes and insurances on your own. They will always be included with the payment. And once again, the annual funding fee, the funding fee that gets financed, and the mortgage insurance costs can change over time. USDA offers very good credit score flexibility, usually down to 640, sometimes even lower. Qualifying ratio flexibility with a 29% housing ratio and up to 41% total debt ratio, with some flexibility there to go even higher. Very flexible with the age and time length of credit history and credit report trade line requirements, where some loan programs require you to have credit showing for over 1 full year. It's not always the case with USDA. Typically though, you do need to be able to obtain a credit score to qualify. USDA is flexible with a source of funds for your closing costs. Gift money is allowed. If you can negotiate it, the seller can pay some or even all of your closing costs, although surprisingly some lenders will limit how much the seller can pay. And the closing costs can even be financed. However, the home must appraise for higher than the sales price for that to work. There are geographic restrictions. There are no purchase price restrictions. There are household income restrictions based on the size of the family, and these restrictions vary from county to county. To check geographic eligibility areas, go to our website at fairwaypa.com, click on Educate Yourself, click on Is It Rural to get the USDA eligibility site. So, no down payment, you do not need perfect credit, not restricted to first-time home buyers, flexible source of funds. It's time for you to meet your licensed mortgage banker and get a mortgage analysis plan. If you'd like to find more home buying tips, you can find these at youtube.com/fairwaypa. And if you'd like to talk to us about your home financing plans, call us at 431-9299, and that's 717 area code, or find us online at fairwaypa.com.